Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday at Dollar General, which is August the 21st. And I have 4 awesome deals for you guys. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store before you go up to the register to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and if you are even 2 pennies below that $25 mark, that can throw off your whole 5 off $25 scenario. Now, I do want to say before we get into the scenarios that I have been feeling under the weather. I've got some sinus stuff going on, and I'm pretty sure that I have strep throat right now. So, just bear with me through this video. Hopefully, we'll get through it without me losing my voice. So, let's go ahead and jump into scenario number 1. Alright, so first up we have a Gain scenario. You want to pick up one of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. You could also substitute that with the 150 ounce Big Gain liquid laundry detergent if you would like. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $3.95. There's a big variety that you can choose from. The Flings, dryer sheets, fabric softeners, scent boosters, whatever you want to pick up. Just make sure it's at that $3.95 price point. Then you want to pick up one of the Febreze Gain Scented Air products. Again, you can pick and choose. You can pick the air spray. You can pick up the small spaces. I think the wax melts is also working with that Gain coupon. Just make sure that you scan it in the app and make sure that those coupons do attach. Next, you want to pick up one of the Downy Citrus and Vanilla fabric softeners for $2.95, one of the Purex 4-in-1 packs 15 count for $2.75, and 2 of the BioFreeze patches for $3.50. They're $1.75 each. Your subtotal will be $29.35. Now, I do want to point out that you don't have to include the BioFreeze if you don't have those coupons. This scenario will still work. You'll just pay a little bit more out of pocket. Not much, not a big deal. But I just threw those in there on the end. That way we could get our subtotal after coupons the lowest as possible. So here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain, the 3 off 1 Gain Flings, and again, that also works with the 150 ounce liquid laundry detergent. Then you're going to need that 2 off 1 Gain product, 1 off 1 Febreze, 2 off 1 Downy, 175 off 1 Purex, 2 off 1 BioFreeze, and 250 off 1 BioFreeze. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.10 for 7 items, making those just 72 cents each. And that is an amazing deal considering those Big Gain Flings or the Big Gain liquid laundry detergent is $13.50 all by itself. So this is a really great deal that you can pick up on Saturday. Alright, next up we have a household deal. So for this one you want to pick up 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50. They are $2.50 each. 1 of the Downy Citrus and Vanilla fabric softener for $2.95. 1 of the Purex 4-in-1 packs 15 count for $2.75. Sorry about that typo there, but the math should still be correct. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Schick Classic razors. Keep in mind that the kind of a more fancy packaging with the 5 refills. Sorry about that. Kind of lost my voice there for just a second. But keep in mind we do have the Schick razors with the 5 refills. They're in kind of a little bit of fancier packaging. I did include those in the picture at the beginning of this video if you don't know what I'm talking about. So those are on sale this week for $4.50. They're normally $5.50. Alright, next up, you want to pick up one of the Lysol multi-purpose sprays for $2, 1 of the Lysol wipes from the dollar aisle, 1 of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners from the dollar aisle, 1 of the Natural 30-count melatonin vitamins for $3, and 1 of the Studio Selection sunscreens for $2.50. Those are normally $5, but they are included in the 50% off clearance sale, so that will bring your subtotal to $27.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 5 off 3 Olay, the 2 off 1 Downy, 175 off 1 Purex, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 3 of the 50-cent off 1 Lysol digital coupons. Everybody should have 3 on their accounts unless they've used them already. Then the 2 off 1 natural vitamins, the 2 off 1 Studio Selection sunscreen. That is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $4.95 for 11 items, or just 45 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal. Alright, so next up, we have another household deal. We have a lot of really good coupons on household products this week. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Ajax dish soap 52 ounce for $3, one of the Suavitel fabric softener for $3, one of the Purex 4-in-1 packs 15 count for $2.75, one of the Gain laundry products for $3.95, one of the Downy citrus and vanilla fabric softeners for $2.95, 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50. Again, they are $2.50 each. And 2 of the Clorox dish soaps for $2. They are found in the dollar aisle. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons, so you're going to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Ajax, the 150 off 1 Suavitel, the 175 off 1 Purex, the 2 off 1 Gain, 2 off 1 Downy, 5 off 3 Olay, and the 1 off 2 Clorox. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.90 for 10 items, making each item just 59 cents each. Alright, and up next we have a food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the General Mills cereals. They are on sale, 2 for $5 this week. One of the Folgers 7-count singles for $1. One of the Breakfast Essentials drink mixes for $2.95. 2 of the Nestle ice cream singles for $2. They are $1 each. Some of them are $1.25 each, so just make sure that you scan it to check the price. Then you want to pick up 2 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They are on sale, 2 for $5. One of the Danimals 6-pack drinks for $2.95. One of the Tasty Cake pecan swirls for $1.50. One of the Purex 4-in-1 packs 15 count for $2.75. And one of the Downy citrus and vanilla fabric softeners for $2.95. Your subtotal will be $26.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons, so you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 150 off 2 General Mills cereals, 1 off 1 Folgers, 1 off 1 Breakfast Essentials, the buy one get one free Nestle ice creams, the 1 off 2 Lay's or Pepsi products, 1 off 1 Danimals, 50 cent off 1 Tasty Cake, 175 off 1 Purex, and the 2 off 1 Downy. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.35 for 12 items, making each one just 86 cents each. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's 5 off $25 scenarios. Now I do apologize again, I've been feeling bad, so I didn't get as much done as I normally would, as I planned to. But anyways, don't forget about the clearance event. That starts today on Friday, August the 20th, and it will run through the 22nd. I did a video on that earlier in the week, and I will leave that linked in the pinned comment down below just in case you missed it and you need some visuals and you need to know what's going on. And I also did a second video on clearance events. Now this one's a little bit different. This is kind of like a beginner's guide to clearance events. So it's just a bunch of general questions that I usually get anytime a new clearance event rolls around. So if you are new to Dollar General couponing, if you don't know what a clearance event is, definitely go and check out this video because there's a lot of really good information in it. And I will also leave that linked down in the pinned comment as well. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for bearing with me. I'm going to take these kiddos to school and head to the doctor's office, and we're going to find out what's going on. Hopefully it's just some allergies, maybe strep throat at the worst, but hopefully it's nothing too serious. So everybody cross their fingers, and then if all goes well there, I will head out to Dollar General and see what's going on with the clearance event. If I find any like unmarked red or green dot home items that I think are important enough to share, I will leave a post in the community tab. So go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on those notification bells so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video or make a post in that community tab. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. And even if I don't answer you right back in the same day, I promise you I'm reading them and I'm answering the questions first, and then I go back through and kind of reply to everybody else. But I am reading them. They really do brighten my day. So leave me a comment down below. And also, if you have a minute, share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day, and I hope you guys find all kinds of awesome things at this clearance event. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.